Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, I'm going to spray some syrup on these cones. Okay? So take this. Spray some on both sides. And I'll spray it on both sides and slide it over. Okay? Perfect. On the other side.
We're doing this because
This is going to make this cone, this wax, more attractive to the bees and help them to stay in it. Go do the next one.
and it's sugar water, right? Let's look at the swarm and this pine tree. There's a little pine tree.
Alright, now come over here and spray the bees. Hold these branches down for it. And try to get the whole thing, top to bottom. Okay, now let's go over here. Alright. Okay, over here. This is going to make them stick together.
Yes.
Make them harder
Put
for
the
them
sugar
to fly.
in water.
Yeah, make them sticky. Give them something to eat. Alright, over here. Watch the frames over here. See if you can get in there. Okay. Okay. Now put a little bit in our collection tub here.
It won't really squirt when you're looking down.
What's the tub for?
Well, we can't pull this branch down and shake them into the box, so we're going to shake them into the tub and then dump them into the box here a little bit at a time. So Dave, I'm going to hold this underneath of them, and I'm going to grab the top of this tree and try to shake as many into this as I can. Okay, and then when I do that, you're going to bring the tub over here and dump it in the middle. Dump the bees right into the bottom and then bring me the tub back. Okay? So, hold this a second. Let me get rid of a couple of these branches.
You have to have safety
How do you feel safe?
with all the bee stuff on. Stop asking questions. You know I don't like questions. Oh, I'm supposed to.
Okay, now you count to 3, and I'll give them a shake, and we'll see how many we can
2,
catch.
3. You almost got the whole thing.
Okay, into the tub.
You almost got the whole thing. Jesus, that's hard.
That's okay. That's okay. You're right. We'll give them some cone to cluster on.
I'm infested with bugs.
Give them a couple minutes here to see if we got the queen or not.
Let's see how many's on your hands.
Flicked one at them. They're all workers. Jesus. You gave them a good shake and bacon.
Well, we got a good many of them. Now we're just going to see if we got the queen.
Looking through them is going to be a lot of wood.